Christy Mock, 35 years.
Chris Christner, 25 years.
Oh, I've been at the Mental Health Center of Denver because this is truly my passion.
I can't imagine being anywhere else, actually.
It's the flexibility that's really kept me here, I think.
The environment that I work in, it enables me to be my best.
I genuinely like what I do for a living.
Well, I stayed so long in this field because I noticed there is a need for it too.
This is a place where I've been able to learn things for 30 years, be on journeys with both my colleagues and the people that we see. It's been fulfilling in every way I can imagine.
It's the challenge. It's like if you're doing a puzzle and you want to get that last piece in there. So everybody's kind of a puzzle and I'm putting the pieces together and I'm not quite done and I need to go find that other piece. So I've always got something to do, something to look forward to, something to link somebody to.
I love what we do, and we've evolved over time. So we've never sat on our laurels. We always are moving forward, trying to do things better.
I've done it for so long. I sort of know what I'm doing, mostly.
I love being able to help people have the life that they've always wanted to have.
For me, it's a calling to do this kind of service work. I enjoy it.
Dawn Hinspark, 30 years.
Kathleen Rogers, 20 years.
What sets the Mental Health Center of Denver apart as a place to work is we actually make an effort to focus on a wellness culture.
What sets Mental Health Center of Denver apart from other places is that not only are we focused on what is really great for the people that we serve, but we focus on the people that work here as well.
It's essential that if you're working here helping others, that we are healthy ourselves.
We are not profit-driven. We are service-driven.
When we made a conscious decision that we were going to create a place where people's well-being could thrive, that made really all the difference about why to work here as opposed to someplace else.
I think one of the great things about the Mental Health Center of Denver is housing people.
The Mental Health Center of Denver is a leader in what mental health should look like. And we're a leader when it comes to innovations.
Annette Umbriaco, 25 years.
Carl Clark, 30 years.
Adesu Haile, 30 years.
I'm proud of a lot of things that happen at the Mental Health Center of Denver. I'm proud of the workforce that we have that come to work every day and give them 100% of what they've got.
Why I'm proud to work here, because our staff, they do make a difference. They're amazing.
In my 25 years here, I've done a number of things that I'm proud of, including helping put together our dual diagnosis program.
I'm most proud of for the Mental Health Center of Denver is the fact that they're innovative and that they seem to, over the years, grown.
The excitement comes when I help people, or I help in a way that so they would get their lives better.
Well, I think everybody's passionate about what they do here.
So what's been really great about working at the Mental Health Center of Denver for me is that I haven't had to go to other places to be able to do new things.
I've always been given the tools and the opportunity to do that next thing. And that's something that's exciting to me. I've never felt like I had to move on to a different organization or find a different job outside of Mental Health Center of Denver.
What I love about my job most is the residents, the people.
We focus on our strengths and the strengths of the people we serve.
I hope I'm making a difference in the lives of all the residents I meet. And I try to do that by being present and open and just trying to meet them where they are.
The best part of my job is doing something and tangibly getting it done and then seeing a result.
It makes me smile when staff members see themselves, whether that's a clinical staff or a manager or a director, where they see themselves being a part of something bigger than themselves. And they're like, oh yes, I am all in this. Those are the things that, those are priceless.